Hello, TypeTwice here. In today's video I'll be showing you how to remove an element from an image using the content aware fill. So let's get right into it. The first thing we want to do is to find an image where we want to remove an element. In this case I have found this image where I want to remove this bird and get the background replaced instead. And there is actually a really easy way of doing so. The first thing we want to do is to select some kind of mask tool. You can use the pen tool, lasso tool, or quick selection tool, or whatever you would like. It's totally up to you. I prefer using the lasso tool in most cases, where we only have to remove a small object. So let's find that. Go to the left bar and find the lasso tool and select it. Now let's zoom in on our bird so we can see it a little better. Just like this. Now just start drawing around the bird with the lasso tool. Just like this. We have now created a selection around our bird and it's now time for us to remove it. You can do this in different ways, but one of the methods I use is in Edit and go down to the Fill. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl F5 and in Contents choose Content Aware and then press OK. And look what happens with the bird. And as you can see, the bird is now removed from the image and the background has been replaced instead. If you want to remove this selection, just press Ctrl and D. And let's zoom out again. It's a great idea to take a copy of your image before you start doing this, so you always can go back to the original version. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you in the next one.